Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, in anticipation of the upcoming Friday, March 8th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On Thursday, March 7th, 2024, the opening bell heralded the initiation of Tesla stock trading at a modest $174.35, culminating in a closing figure of $178.65. Throughout this dynamic trading day, the stock exhibited a commendable 1.2% increase, navigating a price spectrum spanning from $176.54 to $178.65. The trading activity witnessed a notable exchange of 101.7 million shares, equivalent to a staggering $18.12 billion in value. Noteworthy price swings marked the stock's journey, oscillating between the lowest point of $173.70 and the pinnacle of $180. Intriguingly, Tesla's 52-week high stands tall at $299.29, a pinnacle of success, while the 52-week low registers at $152.37, signifying resilience during market fluctuations. A comparative analysis with the preceding trading day unveils a decrease of 5 million traded shares, potentially signaling a note of caution despite the uptick in stock price. The risk evaluation classifies this stock as remarkably steady, boasting a minimal chance of financial distress. Recent developments surrounding Tesla add layers to the narrative, including its resounding success in the stock market, legal intricacies tied to a class action bid regarding battery range, and its distinguished position among the Magnificent Seven high-performing stocks. These factors coalesce to underscore Tesla's commanding market position, juxtaposed against the multifaceted challenges it faces. The ongoing controversy over advertised driving ranges could influence short-term sentiment, reflective of the broader scrutiny confronting leading tech and automotive entities. Turning our attention to the technical analysis, Tesla's stock continues to exhibit an unfavorable outlook. This is accentuated by negative sell signals emanating from both its short-term and long-term moving averages. The strategic positioning of the long-term average above its short-term counterpart triggers a sell signal, indicating a prevailing pessimistic forecast. Conversely, a stock price surpassing the long-term average triggers a buy signal, indicative of a more optimistic outlook. A fall below the short-term average generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable perspective. Examining the intermediate trend, a bullish inclination is discerned as the downtrend gracefully transitions into a sideways trajectory. Notable features include a robust bullish 3-day candlestick pattern, complemented by a mild 3-day accumulation on the stock. A keen watch is placed on the breakdown scenario for the TSLA stock, envisaging potential challenges if it descends below the $173.63 level. As of the video's making, no prominent emerging candlestick patterns adorn the chart. Considering the current short-term trend, an anticipated uptick in the stock price is forecasted. The most recent daily candle, exhibiting a green hue, signals the dominance of buyers, or in other words, bulls, during the trading session. Despite the predominantly bullish tone, characterized by a trading volume of 101.7 million, which is 6.5% less than the average volume for Tesla, the stock presently traverses within the lower echelons of its yearly price range. Tesla finds itself positioned below various key moving averages, the 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day simple moving averages and exponential moving averages. This configuration unfurls a disconcerting sign for the stock's overall trend. Venturing into the daily technical indicators, the average true range indicator signifies heightened volatility, the Williams percentage range leans towards oversold conditions, and the stochastic indicators maintain a neutral stance. Furthermore, the relative strength index, MACD, average directional index, commodity channel index, ultimate oscillator, and rate of change indicators all project a negative sentiment. The mix of these technical indicators presently tilts towards a negative signal, indicating a potential sell for the stock. It's imperative, however, to acknowledge that an over-reliance on these indicators may not guarantee substantive outcomes. With this comprehensive overview in mind, let's delve into the meticulous analysis and prediction of Tesla's price movement set to unfold on the upcoming trading day Friday, March 8, 2024. Considering the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for Tesla stands steadfast at the $177.46 level. Support levels are strategically identified at $176.54, $173.55, and $171.12, while resistance levels fortify the terrain at $181.06, $183.80, and $188.14. Embarking on the formulation of potential Tesla stock trades for the imminent trading day, we outline two bullish and two bearish scenarios. A pivotal understanding is established that breached support levels often turn into formidable resistance levels, and conversely, surpassed resistance levels tend to function as robust support levels. For the initial bullish trade, consider opening a long position if, within the initial 30 minutes of trading, the stock consistently upholds the $176.54 level as a support. Precision is key, with entry into the trade recommended as close as possible to this support level, given the inherently short-term nature of the trade. Profit-taking for this bullish trade is judiciously recommended in the proximity of the resistance level at $181.06. The second bullish trade introduces an intriguing perspective. Monitor whether the $181.06 resistance level is not only breached, but also sustained as a support for a substantial period, at least 30 minutes post-market opening. This scenario portends a short-term bullish outlook. In such a case, contemplate entering a long position in close proximity to the new $181.06 support level. Profit-taking in this scenario is sensibly suggested around the next resistance level at $183.80. Venturing into the realm of bearish trades, if the stock persists in respecting the $181.06 level as a resistance after the initial 30 minutes of market opening, consider initiating or adding to a short trade position in proximity to this resistance level. A cautionary note is warranted, emphasizing the inherently short-term nature of this trade. Profit-taking on this first bearish trade is recommended around the $176.54 support level. In the second bearish trade scenario, vigilantly observe if the $176.54 support level is breached within the initial 30 minutes of market opening and subsequently transforms into a resilient resistance for a prolonged duration. This unfolding narrative points towards a short-term bearish outlook. If such a scenario materializes, contemplate entering a short trade position in close proximity to the new $176.54 resistance level. Profit-taking in this context is strategically recommended around the subsequent support level at $173.55. A prudent and calculated approach dictates the closure of positions in small percentage increments as the stock's journey unfolds, eschewing the notion of abrupt and complete closures. The recommended strategy advocates incremental closures in 25% increments, fostering a balanced and strategic posture throughout the ebbs and flows of the market. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!